Whether or not this is your first time moving away from home, choosing where you're going to live is an exciting part of starting university. Here at the University of Brighton, you're guaranteed a spot in halls. As long as Brighton is your first choice and you applied before the deadline, there'll be a room ready for you. Halls at the University of Brighton are all-inclusive and self-catered. This means that you won't have to worry about things like bills, internet or contents insurance, and you'll get to plan your meals in a way that works best for you and your housemates. Your room will have everything that you need. A bed, wardrobe, desk. Bathroom options range from ensuite to shared, family-style bathrooms to suit all the different budgets and preferences. Communal kitchens and living spaces are designed with you in mind, so there's lots of space for you to cook and socialise. The university makes sure that all of your communal areas are regularly cleaned by professionals, and there's 24-hour security on site so that you can feel safe, whether you're going out early for classes or you're coming home after a night out with friends. All of our halls have a residential wellbeing team on site who are available to support you 24/7. The student residential advisors are trained to support and mentor you while organising social events from board games to club nights, and our staff advisors are on call to help with the big stuff. There are halls within minutes of each campus, so you won't need to worry about a long commute or running late. Depending on where your studies are based, you could choose to live on our dedicated residential campus at Varley Park, at our Phoenix campus in the heart of the city, or Student Village on Moulsecoomb campus, or on the edge of the countryside at our Falmer campus. Each site has its unique perks, from the basketball court at Varley to the on-site gyms at Moulsecoomb and Falmer, and Phoenix's easy access to the seafront and all it has to offer. And all of our halls have laundrettes and places to eat, keeping halls' lives straightforward and freeing up your time to study and socialise. Wherever you are, you're never more than a short bus ride from Brighton city centre, so you'll be able to enjoy its bustling coffee culture, cool independent shops and restaurants, unique nightlife, and the famous Brighton beach whenever you like. Brighton is a city that cares about the environment, and it's always investing in sustainable ways for people to move around. There's a brilliant infrastructure of cycle paths and bus routes, and Falmer, Moulsecoomb and the city are also connected by train. But it's so compact and easy, if you were able to, walking is a great option too. Living in halls is a great way to start your journey as a student. You'll join a ready-made community and be helped to feel at home from the moment that you arrive.